Hello everyone, my name is Marlon and welcome to my channel. If you ever had a question of how to use your iPhone and Macs more efficiently, this is a place for you. Let's say you have an iPhone and you have a very long work email address to type. It begins with your name, at the company name, .com and maybe other things. Well, doesn't matter how good you are in typing, you might make some mistakes. So how to avoid that? I'm gonna share one thing. Well, let's say you have an iPhone, go to the settings app, go to general, go to keyboard, under text replacement. This is where the magic happens. You add your email address as a phrase. So let's say my email is marlon.guan@marlonguan.com. I want to replace it with something that I can easily remember and fast to type. So I just use add and save. So I just saved the phrase for me. And now let's go to the Notes app. I want to type my email, so I just type add. It automatically created this email address for me without me typing any other thing, and it's precise every single time, and it will be guaranteed that no more mistakes no matter how difficult it is to type. And the secret doesn't finish here. We'll go shopping online now and we have to fill in our home address, so let's add a shortcut for that. Let's say I live in this place and I want to replace it with ADDR. I don't want to use the word ADD because ADD is actually a word. I might actually use that, but ADDR will just be fine. So let's save. And now let's go to messages. I want to tell them my address. So I just type ADDR and boom, there you go. This is my home address. I don't have to worry about them going to the wrong places anymore for partying. It goes beyond that. Let's say I want to add a shortcut for my phone number as well. So let's say my phone number is this. The problem is I can't use a number as a shortcut because I might actually need a number. So I'll just use the letter PNN, short for phone number. Let's say I want to give someone my phone number in email. I just need to type PN and boom. I don't have to worry about double checking this anymore. It will always be like this. And I want to let you know that all these shortcuts you just added on your phone are synced to all your Apple devices as long as they are logged in with the same Apple ID. Let's say I want to type my name Marlon and I want it to be capitalized every single time when I type it. So now you know the secret. Let's add a shortcut for that. So let's go to our Mac. Let's go to System Preferences. And under Keyboard, under Text, here you can see all the things that I just added on my phone. Now I want to replace small Marlon with capital Marlon. Let's go to Pages. You can see I already have lowercase ipsum type just because I don't want Marlon to be capitalized at the beginning of the sentence by default. So now let's type small Marlon, M-A-R-L-O-N, and there you go. I can use the same tip for my full name as well, but this time I want to save more time. So let's just use initials. My initial is MG. I want to replace it with Marlon Guan. And now in Pages, I won't have issue with typing MG and being replaced with Marlon Guan. But what if I actually want to type my initials M and G? Instead of hitting the space bar this time, hit the escape key, which is located on the top left corner of your keyboard. And I can still add a space after that, but this time it won't be replaced with the full name. So you have the full control of what you want it to look like. So here's something fun. I added some shortcut for the things that I type quite often, like this see no evil monkey, this half sign, this third sign, etc. The LGBTQIA, the alpha, the beta, and the upward arrow, the downward arrow, the rightward arrow, and the leftward arrow, the hearts. I even added all the common contractions like I will, I have, can't, don't. You get what I mean. Now before I wrap up this video, I want to share one more thing with you. Let's say you have a work Mac that is not logged in with your personal Apple ID, so it won't sync with all the type replacement thing you just added on your phone. So what do? Well, you don't want to recreate everything from the scratch, right? You want to copy and paste. So let's go to our Mac. This is all the list. Doesn't matter if you have 100 or if you have 1,000. You just copy everything and drag and drop them to your desktop. I just created a perfect single file for me to carry them over. And let's delete all these shortcuts. Let's say this is my work Mac now. It's brand new, has nothing in there. And I emailed myself this text replacement file. And now what I need to do is just drag and drop it back to the text replacement. All the shortcuts in the past years can now be used on my work Mac. That easy. So you don't have to lose your habit anymore. So that's it everyone. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe to support my channel. There will be more great videos like this to come.